Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate RSS feeds into Mailchimp for newsletters SEO detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your Mailchimp account and navigate to the dashboard. In the dashboard, locate the Campaigns tab and click on it. From the Campaigns page, click on Create Campaign in the upper right corner. Choose Email from the options provided to start creating a new campaign. Select Automated to create a campaign that can be sent at scheduled intervals. Next, click on Share Blog Updates, which allows you to pull content from your RSS feed. You will be prompted to enter your RSS feed URL. Go to the website you want to pull content from and locate its RSS feed URL. Copy the URL from the website. Return to Mailchimp and paste the RSS feed URL into the designated field. Click on Next to proceed to the next configuration step. Set the frequency for how often you want Mailchimp to check the RSS feed. Choose the day and time when you want your newsletters to be sent. Customize the subject line, preview text, and other email settings to match your branding. Click on Next to continue to the design step of your newsletter. Select a template that best fits your content style. Use the drag and drop editor to arrange elements and include necessary images and text blocks. Incorporate a dynamic content block that pulls in the feed from your RSS URL. Test how your content looks by clicking the Preview and Test button. Ensure that your email displays correctly across various devices. Once satisfied, hit the Schedule button to finalize your automated campaign. Review all settings to ensure accuracy and save your campaign. Finally, monitor the performance of your newsletters through Mailchimp's analytics tools. Track open rates, click rates, and engagement to refine your future campaigns. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.